All right, so this is the evidence that a reaction has stopped. And so these are our materials. This is just water for right now, but tomorrow you'll have the chemicals. It says use a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder to measure out 5 milliliters of potassium permanganate. So I'm going to take this, and my measurements aren't going to be very exact because I'm not really doing this. All right, great. And add the solution to a 100 milliliter beaker. So there's your beaker, and then you're going to add that to it. Great. And then it says carefully using your sinks at the lab station, and this is what I really wanted to show you guys today. I should have no broken graduated cylinders tomorrow. And if you do break, you will be held financially responsible. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the water on first, and we're going to get a nice little stream going. And then you're going to put your graduated cylinder underneath there, and you're going to just rinse it out, and then turn off the water, and then you're going to dry it the best you can. And then the next step says using that clean graduated cylinder to measure 5 of the sodium hydrogen sulfate solution. So again, I'm going to measure 5. And now I'm going to add this to my 100 milliliter beaker slowly while stirring at the same time. Again, just water, so nothing much to see today, but tomorrow there will be. All right, repeat step 3. So you're going to measure out another 5. And now you don't have to clean in between because now you're using the same chemicals as before. And you're going to continuously, slowly add. All right. Then you're going to, you want to go until the beaker turns colorless, and then stop adding the sodium hydrogen sulfate solution, and record the observations. Leave your gloves and goggles on until all the chemicals have been brought to the counter near the sink. Only one lab group allowed at the sink at a time, so wait your turn. This stuff is kind of dangerous, so what do we have for our safety today? Long pants, closed shoes, goggles. The potassium permanganate is an irritant and is toxic, so we don't want 2 people up at the sink and then get bumped and then this spills on someone. That would be great. And then definitely do not put this down the sink because it could really screw up our drains and plumbing here. All right, so you're gonna bring all this, and then we're gonna have them off the table because I teach other stuff in between you guys. I will take care of putting it back out for the next group. Wash your hands, and then find a table to sit at, and there's a little lab right up for you. All right, thanks.